Hi julle, hier is vir die family memberships. At least the family that you like. So my wife the other day came to me and said, honey, just remember that my money is my money and your money is our money. And for this reason, Itensity created a system that helps with family memberships. So let me quickly show you. So if you look at the form that we filled in, so we filled in a complete form. So the magic happens is as soon as I've selected my family membership and I want to submit and sign the contract, it immediately takes me to the secondary or the family membership. Now as soon as you fill this part in, what happens is it links it to immediately with one another, and the main member gets the fee or the invoice, and a secondary member will not be invoiced. But if that payment defaults, it immediately goes to it immediately blocks both. So this is great for the family memberships that you want to create in your studio, gym or box. Now you get the other situation as well. We all had that one friend. He's our gym partner. He makes sure that we wake up in the morning on time for a bro session at the gym, and he keeps us on track. But life happens. Shit happens, and he can't afford his gym membership anymore. And we don't want to go back to the days where I can count my chins on 2 fingers. We don't want to get there anymore. So what we do as good friends, we opt to pay for his membership. And don't think Itensity don't have you covered in that area. So in Itensity, if you go to a member profile, as I'm going to show you now, you can link your friend to your profile. So I'm an admin, I want to pay for my member, the member comes to the door, comes to reception, he wants to pay for his friend. It's easy, I can just go and search the friend, and I'll link that friend, and now I'm going to pay for both membership. So I'm going to keep my chins at one chin. I'm going to keep my body nice and tight, looking good for my wife, and my friend is looked after. So not just is Itensity this amazing platform, but we can help you with your family matters. So if you want more information about how to manage family memberships or any other things related to managing a studio, gym or box, please leave us a comment, please send us an email, or click on the link on the sign up link to arrange a demo. Thank you guys, thank you for the time, I much appreciate it. I'm not going to say peace out, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to wave at you and say goodbye for now. Thank you guys and have a great day.